Tebis 4.1 is a major version of Tebis. I can honestly say that this is the first version that we integrated a fully solid model and parametric solid modeler into the system. It's not that we want to engage into major CAD designing, but we want to integrate the portion of design and the portion of manufacturing together in order to automate even more. And we already know that automation is an important item in today's society. We want to provide customers the ability to use automation on the next level, so to speak, in order to give them tools to go into the next century, in order to provide solutions that are future-looking rather than just for what they're looking right now. And that's what 4.1 enables them. It gives us the technology platform in order to build some more futuristic type of capabilities. And with 4.1, we can elevate the efficiency level, the faster machining times, the faster processing times to all of these companies, because really by faster manufacturing, that's where the dollar signs comes in for our customers. And retaining as much profit for our customers, that's really what we're trying to do. And that's what 4.1 delivers.